Hey, this is Alex from AFS 401k, and it's episode number 34 of Money Hacks. It's tax season, and we're less than 60 days away from the April tax filing deadline. And there are a number of investors and savers who've already filed their 2018 taxes and have been surprised that they're either paying tax or not getting as big of a refund as they expected. So with all the talk about the Tax Cut and Jobs Act last year, what gives? Well, that new tax law certainly lowered the marginal rates for the vast majority of working Americans. It also changed the way and the ability for many of us to take certain deductions. So when you file your tax return, are you going to pay tax or are you going to get a refund? Well, it depends on a number of factors: your income for the year, the type of deductions you typically take when you filed your taxes in the past, and your state and local taxes like property taxes, for example. But the most important thing you should be aware of is your W-4 withholding. When you started working at your company or organization, you filled out a W-4 that helped to indicate how much tax should be withheld out of every paycheck. And last year, when the law was passed, a lot of organizations and their payroll systems actually updated those withholding tables. So for many workers, they were getting bigger paychecks. They had less tax withheld because of the new tax code. So we've looked at a number of individual situations where you might have gotten a smaller return, but that's because you were getting more money in your pocket throughout the year. Most importantly, as you do your taxes here for the 2018 year, it's a great time to revisit your W-4 withholdings. If something has changed in your life, if you're earning higher income, or if you have a family, this is a great time to revisit and adjust your withholding structure so that the amount that's taken out of your paycheck for taxes is correct. One reminder, I know that a number of people rely on their refund as a way to pay down debt or fund emergency savings, and those things are great. But if you're getting a big refund, it means you're giving money to the federal government interest-free, and they're giving it back to you at the end of the year by way of a refund. So you really should look at those W-4 withholdings and make sure that at the end of the year, when you do your taxes, you get a minimal refund or pay minimal tax, which basically means you've been paying the right amount throughout the year. Hope this video helps. If you have questions, input, or feedback, check us out on social. Thanks. See you next time.